How to enable or disable hide expired passes on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and go to Wallet. You are now in the Wallet and Apple Pay settings page. This page allows you to manage payment methods for Apple Pay, add and remove credit or debit cards and more. Scroll until you find Hide Expired Passes. To enable it, tap on the switch to turn it on, hiding expired passes from view in Wallet. To disable it, tap on the same switch again to turn it off, showing any expired passes. Leave the toggle set as you prefer. This quick toggle lets you control whether old passes remain visible or stay out of sight. Following these steps, you can easily enable or disable hide expired passes on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.